Galing tayo dun sa mga kabahayan dyan. We traversed the road network. Went somewhere there. From the rice terraces. Hiked it at the foot of this mountain. Climbed up. Crossed a river. Climbed up again. Took a video and a selfie in all of those places. Especially there. Yung tok-tok na yan. And I was taking a video of this spot when I was there. So, what's next? Next spot. According to my altimeter, nasa 1287 na tayo na altitude. 1,287 meters above sea level. And Buga campsite is around 1,400. So, less than 200 pa more